Let's see if we can try Mr. Bean turn into a tattoo stencil. Last time when I put this into 50%, it came out the best. That size should do, isn't it? My favorite feature is when it grabs a stencil. It's hard to do one-handed, but it'll pick it up and pull it in. With this button, you can feed out a little bit. Anyways, print. I'm gonna go for light. Let's see. You can see the forehead. It's alright, but I think we can do better than that. We made the blacks black, shadows a little bit lighter, the lighter tones lighter, and then white. Let's try again. We can see a lot more contrast. He's watching you. The negative image is just creepy. And for the last one, I'm gonna use the photo I just used, but I'm gonna crank down to 80% of saturation or opacity. See what that looks like. Ready, go. So far promising. His face a bit wrinkled, old man. That was the first, that was the second, but I feel like going down to 80% and making those adjustments a little bit really made a difference. Now we just need to tag him in, wait till he signs these.